These are the Woodies wood sunglasses with polarized lenses, crafted from rich ebony wood for both men and women. Right away, you notice the natural wood grain. It gives these shades a unique look that stands out from typical plastic frames. The lenses are polarized, which helps reduce glare when you're out in bright sunshine, whether you're driving, at the beach, or just walking around town. They also offer 100% UVA/UVB protection, so your eyes are shielded from harsh sunlight throughout the day. I love how lightweight and comfortable these feel on your face. The wood frame is smooth and sturdy, and it doesn't pinch or slide around, even when you're active or on the move. The design is classic and versatile, pairing easily with casual outfits or something more polished. Because they're made of wood, no two pairs look exactly the same. Each has its own natural pattern, making them feel personal and stylish. And the polarized lenses help keep your vision clear, reducing reflections from water, car hoods, and sidewalks.